Now, today's topic is mass and momentum in terms of electron volt. This kind of topic is not given in any kind of the book of physics, whether it is of 11th standard or 12th standard or even in any of the competitive exam book like the reference book or the guides, etc. This is somewhat special for all those students who are appearing in the competitive exam of NEET, NDA and some other aims, etc. Because what's the topic I am taking now, that is quite different, and this is very important because the questions are asked on this base. But since the students are not familiar with this one, so they feel that this is very difficult, and they immediately think that how is it possible to express the mass in terms of electron volt. As we know that electron volt is the unit of energy. Generally what happens that in 11th and 12th class we study only about the joule as the unit of the energy. Similarly, there is one more unit like arcs, and the third unit is electron volt. Electron volt is very modern because a few decades before it came into the knowledge of the persons who are belonging to this physics. So now I will tell you that how to express the mass and the momentum in terms of electron volt. As we have seen that electron volt means, if I say suppose this is now 1 electron volt, it means that if an electron is accelerated by 1 volt potential difference, then whatever energy is gained by this, that is called the electron volt. Electron volt shortly represented by EV. E means electron, V means volt. The energy. This is what the definition of the 1 electron volt. The energy gained by electron by application of 1 volt, that is called the electron volt. So what is this? That is 1 electron volt. 1 electron volt is equal to the charge of the electron 1.6 10 raised to the power minus 19 into potential difference of 1 volt. So this is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 joule, so much. This is our relation. 1 electron volt equal to so much. Now this is also expressed in mega electron volt, MeV, GeV, giga electron volt. So mega electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 13 joule, and 1 gigavolt is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 10 joule. So this is what the relation between the electron volt and the joule. Electron volt is the smaller unit, and bigger to this one is mega electron volt, and then other bigger is giga electron volt. So now let us have the units of energy. Units of energy. Now generally the units are number 1 joule. This is expressed by J. This is the MKS unit. MKS. Now number 2, arcs. This is now term ERG. This is in CDS. Now the third one is electron volt. This is represented by EV. As I have written here, this electron volt equal to so much joule. This is what the relation between the electron volt and the joule. Now let us come to our points, that how to express the mass and momentum in terms of electron volt. Actually, this expression of mass and momentum in terms of electron volt is especially for the photon, not the general bodies. As we have studied in the mechanics, the E equal to P square upon 2n, like that. From there we are not having this unit, but this is what that is related with the photon. And now we know that the energy of the photon is given by the quantum physics in terms of hd. Energy of photon. Now this is what E equal to hd. This is our, and also we have this E equal to mc square. E equal to mc square. E the energy, m the mass, c the speed of light. Where h equal to Planck's constant, m the mass, c the speed of light. Speed of light. Then we have to express the mass in terms of electron volt. As you know that this energy is expressed in electron volt. C is the speed of the light, so it's in terms of c square. So this m will be E upon c square. So what we have? This is according to Einstein mass energy relation. This is Einstein mass energy relation. Einstein mass energy relation. So now we come to this mass. Here mass is the mass of the photon. So m equal to E upon c square. M, this is, I have written this mass. This mass is of what? This is the mass of the photon. Mass of photon. Mass of. You know that when the photon is at rest, then its mass is 0. But when it is moving, then its mass is not equal to 0. It has some mass. So now this is expressed in electron volt, this is now in c square. So now unit of mass, this will be what? Electron volt per c square. Electron volt per, this is electron volt, this is now c square, or electron volt c minus 2. Electron volt c minus 2. So what is to be expressed? That the mass of the unit of the mass of the photon, that is the electron volt per c square or electron volt c minus 2. Now this is what that I have to tell you that this mass is expressed in terms of the electron volt. This is now one way. Now let us see the momentum of the photon. Momentum of photon. Now this we know that this P equal to h upon lambda. This is known to us because this is what that was given by the de Broglie. So this is also, lambda is also called the wavelength of the photon, or simply the wavelength of the matter wave. So now we can express this. You can find from here also E equal to mc into c. So this is now came like this one, and also from here E equal to hc upon lambda. So we can find. So E equal to h nu, and this is equal to hc upon lambda. So this h upon lambda, this is equal to p. So this p equal to E equal to pc. E equal to pc. Now E is expressed in volt. This is now c. So electron volt per c. This is the another way of this unit of the momentum. So this P is equal to E upon C. So unit will be what? Unit of P. Unit of P. This is equal to, this will be now this electron volt per C, or electron volt C minus 1, like this. So we can express this in this way. The momentum that is expressed in kilogram meter per second, this is another unit. This is the in mechanics, but in case of photon, we express this in terms of the electron volt also, and in terms of the speed of the light. So this is what the unit of the P, that electron volt C minus 1. So this is what that I have to tell you, because in many of the questions this is not clear. So I have told you that the unit of mass is electron volt per c square, or electron volt c minus 2, or P equal to electron volt per c, or electron volt c minus 1. The dimensions or the mechanical equivalent or the mechanical units, that are the joules and the arcs, but in case of photon we are taking to this one. Similarly here this is taken like this one. So this is what the expression of the unit of the mass and momentum of the photon, Always remember, this is only for photo. So this is the way that how to express the mass and momentum in terms of electron volt and the speed of the light. So this is very helpful to you. So you all like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you very much.